A poorly designed database is like a weak foundation. It may hold for a while, but eventually it leads to instability, inefficiency, and major data headaches. Database design isn't just about storing data. It's about structuring it in a way that supports accuracy, performance, and long-term growth. Let's look at why solid database design is so important. Ensures accurate reporting. Well-structured tables make it easy to generate reports you can trust. Improves performance and scalability. Efficient relationships and indexing keep systems running smoothly as data grows, reduces maintenance and troubleshooting costs. A smart design minimizes future errors and rework. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we collaborate with you to design a database structure tailored to your unique business processes. Our focus is on efficiency, reliability, and adaptability, creating a data foundation that evolves with your organization. WSI doesn't just design databases. We build strong, future-ready foundations that power your business growth. Build your next solution on a solid foundation. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com today for expert database design.